welcoming the audience and introducing the project. Are you looking to add a touch of contemporary elegance to your home decor? Join me as we create a stunning geometric wood art piece that will transform any wall into a captivating focal point. This modern wall decoration blends the timeless beauty of natural wood with the precision of digital fabrication, resulting in a one-of-a-kind piece that will elevate your living space. Materials and tools. Listing the necessary materials and tools. For this project, you'll need the following: a piece of hardwood, such as oak, maple, or walnut, approximately 12 x 24, a CNC router or access to a CNC milling service, computer-aided design, CAD software, such as Fusion 360 or Inkscape, wood finishing supplies, sandpaper, wood oil or stain, polyurethane, etc., handheld power tools, jigsaw, orbital sander, etc. Designing the artwork. Explaining the digital design process. We'll start by creating the digital design for our geometric wall art piece. Using CAD software, we'll sketch out the basic shape and pattern, experimenting with various geometric designs until we find the one that truly resonates with us. The key to a successful digital design is to strike the right balance between complexity and visual impact. We'll play with different angles, shapes, and negative space to create a stunning, eye-catching design that will captivate the viewer. CNC milling and cutting. Describing the CNC router process. Once we have our digital design finalized, it's time to bring it to life using a CNC router. We'll carefully import the file into the router's control software and set the appropriate cutting parameters, such as tool size, depth, and speed. The CNC router will then precisely carve the intricate geometric pattern into the wood blank, creating a perfectly executed design with consistent depth and clean edges. This process allows us to achieve a level of precision that would be incredibly challenging to replicate by hand. Finishing and presentation. Explaining the post-processing and finishing steps. After the CNC milling is complete, we'll need to carefully sand the surface to ensure a smooth, blemish-free finish. This may involve using multiple grit sizes, starting with a coarser sandpaper and gradually working our way up to a finer grit. Next, we'll apply a wood oil or stain to enhance the natural beauty of the grain and provide a protective layer. Finally, we'll seal the piece with a clear polyurethane coating to ensure a durable, long-lasting finish. With the wood art piece complete, we'll mount it on the wall, ensuring it is level and prominently displayed. The geometric pattern and warm wood tones will create a stunning, contemporary focal point that will instantly elevate the aesthetics of any room. Project Showcase, highlighting the key steps and features of the final piece. Let's take a closer look at the completed geometric wood art piece. As you can see, the intricate pattern created by the CNC router adds a stunning visual depth and dimension to the wall decoration. The carefully selected hardwood, in this case a rich walnut, showcases the natural beauty and grain patterns that make each piece truly unique. One of the standout features of this design is the play of light and shadow across the geometric shapes. The subtle variations in depth in the way the wood absorbs and reflects light creates a mesmerizing visual effect that draws the eye and adds a sense of dynamism to the artwork. The clean, modern lines and minimalist aesthetic of this wall decoration make it a versatile piece that can complement a wide range of interior design styles, from contemporary to industrial to mid-century modern. It's the perfect way to elevate a bare wall and create a captivating focal point in any living space. Creative variations. Discussing different design options and customization possibilities. While we've focused on a single geometric pattern in this project, the possibilities for customization are truly endless. By experimenting with different shapes, angles, and patterns in your CAD software, you can create a wide range of unique designs to suit your personal style and the aesthetics of your home. Perhaps you might be inspired to try a more organic, free-flowing pattern that mimics the movement of nature. Or maybe you'd like to explore a more abstract, angular design that pushes the boundaries of traditional woodworking. The beauty of this project is that the digital design process allows for a level of customization that simply can't be achieved through hand carving alone. Another way to personalize your wood wall decoration is by playing with the wood species and finishing techniques. While we used walnut in this project, you could opt for a lighter wood, like maple or birch, to create a more minimalist, Scandinavian-inspired look. Alternatively, you could experiment with different stains, paints, or shusugiban, charred wood, techniques to achieve unique, one-of-a-kind results. The key is to let your creativity flow and to not be afraid to experiment. The beauty of this project lies in the endless possibilities for customization and self-expression. By blending the timeless appeal of natural wood with the precision of digital fabrication, we've created a stunning geometric wall decoration that truly pushes the boundaries of modern woodworking. This project showcases the incredible potential that arises when we embrace the intersection of traditional craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the world of digital woodworking and to unleash your own creative vision. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a budding maker, this project is the perfect opportunity to unlock a new level of artistic expression and transform your living spaces with one-of-a-kind, captivating wall decor. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more projects like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what other digital woodworking ideas you'd like to see. Happy making, and I can't wait to see what you create. Safety considerations: addressing important safety precautions for the project. Before we dive deeper into the project, I want to take a moment to emphasize the importance of safety when working with power tools and CNC equipment. Woodworking, especially with advanced machinery, can be inherently dangerous if not approached with the proper precautions. When using a CNC router, always ensure that the work area is clear of any obstructions, and that the machine is securely clamped and stabilized. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses, ear protection, and a dust mask, to safeguard yourself from flying debris and wood dust. It's also crucial to familiarize yourself with the operation of the CNC router and to follow the manufacturer's instructions to the letter. Proper training and understanding of the machine's capabilities and limitations can go a long way in preventing accidents and ensuring a successful project. Similarly, when using handheld power tools like jigsaws and orbital sanders, always maintain a firm grip, keep the tools well maintained, and be mindful of your surroundings. Take breaks as needed to avoid fatigue, which can increase the risk of injuries. By prioritizing safety throughout the entire process, you'll be able to enjoy the creative journey and the satisfaction of completing this stunning geometric wood art piece with peace of mind. Troubleshooting and problem solving: addressing potential challenges and offering solutions. As with any creative endeavor, there may be some challenges and obstacles you'll encounter along the way. Let's discuss a few common issues you might face and how to overcome them. One potential problem you may run into is achieving a perfectly clean and consistent CNC cut. Sometimes, the router bit may leave small imperfections or tear-outs along the edges of the wood. To mitigate this, you can experiment with different cutting speeds, depths, and tool paths in your CNC software. Additionally, using a climb cutting technique can often produce cleaner results. Another challenge could be maintaining the structural integrity of the wood during the cutting process. Depending on the complexity of your design, the wood may be susceptible to cracking or splitting, especially if it's a thinner, more delicate material. To prevent this, you can reinforce the wood blank with temporary supports or backer boards, or explore using a thicker, more robust wood species. Finally, achieving a flawless finish on the wood can sometimes be tricky. If you encounter any uneven surfaces or stubborn scratches, don't hesitate to spend extra time sanding and refining the piece. Remember, the final polish and shine can make all the difference in elevating the overall aesthetic of your geometric wood art. By anticipating and addressing these potential issues, you'll be better equipped to overcome any obstacles and produce a stunning, professional-looking wall decoration that you can be truly proud of. Conclusion: summarizing the project and encouraging viewers. By combining the precision of digital fabrication with the timeless appeal of natural wood, we've created a truly unique and captivating wall decoration that showcases the incredible potential of modern woodworking. I hope this project has inspired you to explore the intersection of tradition and technology in your own home decor ventures. Remember, with a little creativity and the right tools, you can transform even the most ordinary materials into extraordinary works of art. Happy making!